Oh, hey guys, I'm looking pretty rough, I know. It is, what does that say, 11 o'clock, 10:30? Yeah, my Harbor Freight video just dropped. I figured I'd make another video actually showing what's going on with the car. But I've been here since 1 a.m. And I had to call in the big guns. This is my buddy Macon. He is a body man, and I've said a million times I am not a body man. What do you got going on over here?
All right, well, we're making a patch. We're making a patch, and actually we got it. To tell you the truth, because when you push that in and unweld it, we're pretty much done.
Nice.
Yep, see? It's solid.
Yeah, once that's welded in there.
Yep.
And yes, guys, this side of the car is still fucking red. It ain't gonna be for long, though. All right. So you're just gonna hit that and you need to plug this welder in?
You're gonna have to find that clamp, because see, watch how this metal flexes together, and that line lines up at the bottom. Huh?
You can't just push it?
We'll figure that out when we get to it. Okay, let me attack you after this.
All right. I may send her up to buy a clamp, because I need one. I don't know what happened to mine.
Yeah, we need.
So yeah, and I've been working on the engine and stuff, and got the tunnel ram. Oh yeah. Got some new valve covers. Check it out. I'm gonna do some, I've been polishing on these. I'm gonna do a little bit of paint work to them once we can find the paint. We got the tunnel ram. I don't know if anybody's seen the seat covers for this car yet. I think I've only showed these on live. Yep, got that from Jags. Pretty. All right, yeah, like I said, guys, I'm only half awake right now. I've been here since. What time did I get here, honey? Oh, she's watching videos. So yeah, we're gonna do a little bit more work, and I'll show some more once we get more done. All right. Ooh. Yeah, we have a little bit. Look at that. He got her all done. Just go over that with a little bit of mud, you know. That's solid. That was one of the major things I was worried about. So it's Sunday. I'm gonna come back in tonight, but I don't know if I probably won't be doing any body work tonight. I'll probably be working on the engine tonight. But next weekend, looks like we might be able to get this side of the car painted. So, you know what I say, like, share, subscribe. If not, no.